Techniques for keeping track of your affiliate referrals. The number of referrals you can generate for your affiliate marketing program can range from a few dozen to several hundreds. Great if there are only a few names on your list so far, since they would be easy to familiarize with, but what if you've collected enough names equivalent to a mid-sized city's worth of phone numbers? Without an organized system, you could easily lose potential income from referrals you can't monitor. Learn how to keep track of your affiliate referrals offline and online so you'll never have to waste your efforts. Offline tracking techniques. Just because you're in affiliate marketing doesn't mean all your affiliate referral prospecting methods are limited online. Offline activities can be incredibly useful for generating leads. If you're the type of affiliate who has an active social networking life, you probably make use of conferences, trade shows, and meetings to mine affiliate referrals. If you do, then make sure you are organized enough to take advantage of all the prospects you get in touch with during these occasions. An excellent way to do this is to obtain a prospect's business card. That piece of paper should hold enough information for you to use later to get in touch with that person. If you attend multiple events or are constantly generating leads online, make a few notes on the back of the business cards so you never forget important information about the person, such as the event they attended, what they said, and other business-related stuff you might have discussed. Keep all business cards collected specifically for your affiliate marketing program separate from your other business cards. This will prevent confusion later when you begin communicating with these people. Don't be afraid to use labels and to make notes. This will help ensure that you keep track of all your affiliate referrals and never forget critical information and data. Online tracking techniques. One of the fastest and most convenient ways to track affiliate referrals is to use online resources. Some of these include an affiliate referral tracking application. Once your referral activities begin in earnest, you'll find it difficult to manually track the number of referrals you bring to your affiliate company's website. You'll need a reliable application to perform this efficiently. Some of these referral tracking applications may be downloaded for free, although you might prefer premium editions if your affiliate business is big enough. These applications are quite easy to use, so you can conveniently keep track of the activities of your affiliate referrals. Many of these applications even offer extras, such as features that allow you to monitor your banner exchanges, start pages, and affiliate links, essentially the kind of activities you've been doing in order to promote your website. Your affiliate marketing program's tracking system. Majority of established affiliate marketing programs have their own tracking system for their affiliates' referrals. Check your program for this. You'll usually only need your own affiliate ID in order to gain access to your stats. Your affiliate program is able to do this because the affiliate links you post on your web pages are coded. This usually comes in the form of a tracking cookie. Each time your visitors click on that link and arrives on the affiliate company's website, their tracking system will register the unique code coming from your site. Activities related to this code will be kept in the company's system, which you can view at any time.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.